Have you ever wondered how your money can work for you? If you're like most people, you probably put your money into a bank account and hope that it will grow over time. But what if there was a way to make your money work even harder? In this video, we're going to talk about how Acorns works. Acorns is a mobile app that helps you save and invest your money. It's a great way to start building wealth, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. What is Acorns? Acorns is a mobile app that helps you save and invest your money. It's a great way to start building wealth, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. Acorns works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 50 cents. 1. www.pipiads.com www.pipiads.com. You can also set up automatic transfers to your Acorns account. This is a great way to save money regularly, even if you don't notice it. How does Acorns work? Acorns works by using a technique called dollar cost averaging. This means that your money is invested in small increments over time, which can help to reduce the risk of market fluctuations. Acorns also offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose the investment strategy that best suits your needs and risk tolerance. Benefits of using Acorns. There are a number of benefits to using Acorns. It's easy to use. The Acorns app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. It's affordable. Acorns offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. It's safe and secure. Acorns is a SEC-registered investment advisor. It's a great way to start building wealth. Acorns can help you save money automatically and invest it in a way that can grow over time. How to get started with Acorns? Getting started with Acorns is easy. Just download the app and create an account. You can then link your bank account and start investing. Acorns is a great way to start building wealth, even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. It's easy to use, affordable, and safe. If you're looking for a way to make your money work harder, I highly recommend giving Acorns a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.